Well, I am Chef Jenny Ross and we are live today at BioFach. Today we're using the Dynapro vacuum sealing commercial blender to make a quick and easy blend. And the thing that I love about this particular combination is that it's so high in antioxidants. But most people don't think about the fact that when you blend at high speeds, more than 30,000 revolutions per minute, you're pulling excess oxygen down into your blend and you're breaking down all those beautiful antioxidants by oxidizing your blend. So we want to keep in all the rich nutrient density of all the ingredients we're going to use today. We want to have better taste, better texture, and here you can see a side-by-side comparison of the difference between vacuum blending and blending at high speeds without vacuum. This is green apple from this morning. The one on the right was blended under vacuum in the Dynapro. The one on the left was blended in the Dynapro but without vacuum. So you can see the differences, right? So when we're making really nutrient-dense smoothie blends for our daily enjoyment and to get the nutrition we need, we want to make sure we keep all of the beautiful things intact. So let's get going with this basic recipe. We're going to start with just some basic water. You could also use coconut water, almond milk, oat milk, whatever you prefer in your blend. We have this in the Dynapro, and now we're going to add in some fresh fruits. So we have our bananas, and we have some berries going into the Dynapro. Now, I want you to see how nice this is. On the side of the Dynapro, we have all the measurements right here. So when you're just basic starting out with blending smoothies, it's very easy to get going just by keeping an eye on the side of the canister. Now, one thing that's also great about the Dynapro, you'll see right here, we have an indicator for when your blends are becoming warm. So this blender is such a high power blender, it will cook a soup, which if you want to do that, it's perfect for that, about 3 minutes and you'll start to see it warming up. But for this blend, this smoothie, I want it to stay raw. So I can keep an eye here and make sure that my blend is not overheating. And I can do it from far away across the kitchen if I have to. So we have right now 2 bananas in here. We're gonna add a 1.5 cups of fresh berries to the blend. And now we're going to put in some superfoods. So superfoods nutrition is a great way to get in extra ingredients into your body. I love spirulina, I love berries, but today is going to be a magical berry blend. So we're going to add goji berries into this one, just raw goji berries. Goji berries have 500 times the vitamin C of an orange. So these are really nice to have in your daily diet. I love them with raw cacao nibs. Also, there's a lot of great blends on the market now. We're here at BioFach, one of the world's largest natural marketplaces, and we've got lots of great combinations like this one, which is designed to go as a cereal topper. It's got all the superfoods in it, but it's great in smoothies too. So you can see we've got more goji berries and lots of great seeds. We have chia seeds, we've got pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are an excellent source of vegan protein. We have hemp seeds, also an excellent source of vegan protein. Chia, which is high in omegas. So this is really gonna get us going for this incredible show. We've got lots of walking to do. So we're gonna go ahead and put 2 tablespoons into the blend. Now comes the fun part. We're gonna put on the lid, which is completely sealed all the way around. And we're gonna use the one-touch vacuum pump. The one-touch vacuum pump will allow us to just press once, walk away and come back, and our canister will be completely vacuum sealed. It takes about 10 to 30 seconds depending on how much volume you have inside of your canister. When the blue light goes out, you'll see that it's time to go ahead and start blending. One great thing about the one-touch vacuum pump is it can also be used with other accessories from Tribest, like our vacuum sealing bags for our sous vide circulator, and also for our glass personal blender. So you have a lot of options with just one piece of equipment, a basic accessory that can help save your food and encourage your ingredients to stay healthy and well. So now we have this sealing. It'll be just a few more seconds and it'll be ready to go. So now that it's done, we're gonna go ahead and do our blend. We can use the presets or the manual. So between the time settings and the manual settings, you have a lot of versatility with how you want to use this blender. I love to use the 30-second blend cycle on smoothies like this one because I can press it, go do something else, and come back and my smoothie is ready. We can also use the manual when we're working with cheeses and sauces in the Dynapro. As a raw food chef, I love to make macadamia nut ricotta in the Dynapro. It makes it fast and easy, and I can use the manual setting to go from low to high and back down again to make sure my blend is really nice and emulsified. So we're gonna go ahead and pour out our blend and garnish it up with some more of those beautiful superfoods. This is a great smoothie bowl recipe. This has some nice body to it, as you can see, but it's completely blended up all the seeds of the berries in the Dynapro. And the other nice thing about this is I know it's been protected from oxidation. So again, it's one of the most powerful ways you can protect your blends, vacuum sealing the canister. It's like what cold press juicing is for juice, vacuum blending is for all your beautiful blends, smoothies, sauces, cheeses, all your desserts. It's a great way to work with raw foods in the kitchen and improve and upgrade your raw foods game at home. So cheers to you, everybody. Here's a smoothie bowl for you to enjoy all day long here today at BioFach. I'm Chef Jenny Ross. Thank you so much for joining us live at the Tribest booth.